Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Steam Points Shop using the Easy method. This is a great way to trade your shopping tokens on your current shopping session, so your digital item upgrades show up perfectly on your personal profile page. Step 1. Open your Master Store drop-down menu. The first step is to open your main application window on your desktop screen and navigate straight into your central shopping zone. Move your mouse pointer up to the top menu bar of your screen workspace, hover your cursor over the large word labeled Store, look down the choice list that slides open, and click once on the row that says Points Shop. Watch for a bright, colorful reward menu page to load right in the middle of your monitor screen view, displaying all your available item categories. Because you need to enter the dedicated prize token building before you can view your custom account items. Opening this central store panel gives you a clear baseline view of all your available options. Without this step, your shopping tokens stay hidden away in your background account wallet rows. Step 2. Check your total token wallet balance. Next, you need to look at the top layout bar of your shopping page to see exactly how much spending power you've built up from your past game purchases. Move your eyes to the top right section of the active shopping window, look for the little round token icon, and read the large number printed right next to it. Confirm your total point balance flat against your background view so you know exactly how many items you can afford to buy today. Because the system gives you 100 points for every single dollar you spend on games. If your balance row shows a low number, you will not be able to unlock the high-tier background displays or animated character pictures inside your computer memory card. Knowing this exact wallet level helps you plan your design layout smoothly before you start choosing items. Step 3. Browse and filter your target item categories. Now you need to explore the left side shopping categories to find the specific type of profile decoration you want to place onto your screen workspace canvas. Move your cursor to the menu column running down the left side of your screen rows, click on a row like Profile Backgrounds, Avatar Frames, or Chat Stickers, and scroll down to view the available reward designs. Look through the visual grid display to pick out a design or color theme that matches your favorite game look perfectly. Because the item catalog holds thousands of separate decorations for hundreds of different games, if you do not use these simple category rows to filter your view, you will get lost scrolling through endless pages of unrelated game items. Clicking a single category lines up all your matching decorations in a neat, straight row on your screen layout. And that's it. To use the Steam Points Shop, you must first hover over the Store tab at the top and click on Points Shop on your screen canvas. Then you move your mouse to the top right to verify your total token balance on your screen canvas rows. Next, you look at the left side menu to click into categories like backgrounds or avatars to filter your choices easily. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.